Hey all my crafty friends, how you guys doing today? This is Lisa, Paper Lace and Bling. Welcome back to my channel for you newbies. Thank you for joining us. I hope you will hit that subscribe button, like and share to all your friends. That would be fantastic. I'm not very good at tooting my own horn, so I try to get it out there at the beginning, then I can just leave it alone. I told you guys while we were working on the Alice book that I was going to show you a preview of what I was going to do, my big project next. Now it's going to be a little while, so you're going to have time because I've got a few little projects that are going to happen in between. But this is the G45 Voyage Beneath the Sea collection. I have an 8x8, so we're going to do a smaller book, and I'm quite excited about it. I've actually been saving things for this for, well, let's see, this was a 2020, so I think I got it about 2 years ago. So yeah, I've been collecting things for it as we go. So this is what I'm working on next, and I just thought I would run you through the papers. So these are, let's see, this is front and back. Okay, and then, well, I guess I've been through these a lot and they don't make any sense. Okay, so here's front and back. And then it's got the nice, I love these. And this one I didn't really show you very well, but this is the strips. Love the strips. Got to have the strips. Although I'd love to have strips, although some of them can be used that, but most of these strips are only going to be able to use horizontally. There are a few that you can use vertically, but yeah, I would love to have them do a horizontal sheet and a vertical sheet of strips. That would be super cool. Okay, and then, let's see, this was this last one here. Try and get those together. I think there are 3 of each. I don't know how I got this in such a mess. Okay, so then you have this one, Voyage, Invent, I love you more than all the fish in the sea. You know, so this is really nice. It's going to make a quiet background, believe it or not. Same as this. There's little heads of mermaids and watches and cogs and things like that in there. So it's kind of a steampunky vibe on this. Here is, yeah, this is the back to, I think this is the front page of the book. It's got the lady with the, I wanted to say alligator, but that's not alligator, the octopus. I'm doing fine. I am doing fine, guys. Just watch me. Okay, so then I have, okay, so I have these. These are vertical strips, so that's really nice. Vertical seahorses, and then this is the back. Love the polka dots. Do anything with them. So that's nice. I haven't found, let's see, the back to this one. Oh, actually, I think this is the front. I think this is the front of the, you know, the first page with the archway on it. I want to think that's it. Voyage Beneath the Sea. I love it. I love it. And then here we have beautiful seashells. Kind of. Yeah. Okay. Still haven't come across this one. So let me find this one in the, there we go. Okay, so this one is the same, but it's a different color. So we have it in the orange, and now we have it in the yellow, and then all of the coral and starfish, and there's cogs in there. Okay, and then we have this. So this is the cut aparts, or you have this background page. all kinds of good stuff in there. And then again, this is the strips. Okay, and then the other thing I have is the chipboard pieces. And, you know, pretty self-explanatory. So that is what I have. I do not know where I got this from. And believe me, because it's cut. I don't know where I got it from. I have absolutely no memory of ever getting a 12 by 12 piece that is cut. I don't know. But anyway, I have partial 12 by 12 piece from the Voyage Beneath the Sea. Now this one, funny, is the original time it came out, 2016. So then they brought it back in 2020, okay? But this one is Vintage Hollywood Collection, and I want you to see how absolutely perfect the orange is. Let me find... It's perfect. And they are like little bubbles. So I pulled this out. Again, Graphic 45 pretty much has a set pattern of colors. And this was a 2017 Graphic 45, the Vintage Hollywood Collection. But this is the other side, you know, which, no. But this side definitely is going to be absolutely lovely. But, you know, I like to have some 12 by 12 sheets. And then this yellow. This is a Fancy Pants Designs, 2008. But it's a perfect yellow. So, yeah, I mean, this is not going to be good on this side, but this is a perfect yellow. So I have that. And then this is a really good green. This is a Cartabella Yesterday from that collection, but it's a very good green for this. So I did pull a few things from my stash that I had that were good colors. So that's what I'm working with as far as paper. Now, this month in my shop, and like I said, I have a gal that picks the colors. So this is what she picked. She said like salmons and greens. And I just said, how about ocean theme? And she said, perfect. That's exactly what I was thinking of. So I do have, now these were just some of the leftovers or some of the things that maybe when I was dyeing, it was like, oh, you know, I really don't like that color, so I'm going to switch it, but I'm not going to include, you know, so some of these are a little more pinker than I would like, but, you know, some of this stuff is going to be, here's some lace that's going to work. I've got these different cheesecloth. And that's a little too pink too. That didn't make it into the mix very much. I've got some blues. But yeah, and I even, you know, when I'm ripping the sheets, I get, or the strips, the sheets. When I'm ripping the strips, I get a lot of thread, and I color the threads. So, but yeah, I think this is going to help me some too. I don't make very many, so if you guys are interested in that, you might want to go over there and get them. I think I made 8 this time. Yeah, I don't, it's very time consuming, but I love doing it. So, there you go. Okay, well, I also found this, I think on Facebook somewhere somebody was selling it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. But these are sequins, and they are blue and green, basically. So I just loved that. You know, very, very sea-minded. And let's see what else I've got in here. I honestly don't even remember what else I have in here. Okay. I picked up some tail tags. That's pretty. I don't know that that is going to go with this, but it's very pretty. It's got the same seashell look, but it might be a little too much blue. I have this piece of material I stuck in here, and it's been a couple years since I've done this, so we'll see. Now this is got some iridescent bit in it, so that might be why I pulled that out. Wow. Okay. My taste must have been a little different a couple years ago than they are now. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, I do have a very cute little charm that I think is a bookmark. And then I have a, I was going to say alligator again. Yeah, octopus. Now this is really pretty. This is all those little sequins sewn on there. So that's going to be really nice. And then this is a dark blue, same thing. This is nice for the trim. It's, I believe, oh, it is a trim. Look at that. Yeah, so that's going to be really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, and then this looks like it's some green sequins from Dollar Tree, I imagine. And then I put some other sequins. Apparently I really want to do sequins on this thing. And I have some of this in here, which is kind of neat. And this is really pretty. I used this in a mermaid book that I did, and it is very pretty. I've got a couple pieces of that. Apparently that's what I had left of that. And then here, this is really pretty with the pearls on it and stuff. And that's all I have of that one. So, you know, I've pulled together some stuff. I'm sure some of this will go back somewhere. Maybe in the garbage. No, not in the garbage, but you know. We'll find something else to do with it. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you that I believe, unless, you know, something really, really, really changes, which I do not foresee, I believe this is what is going to be my next project. So, just in case, oh, these don't go this way. They have to go this way. Just in case you are interested in following along with the same product, you can get yourself ready for that. And this won't fit in there. And this has to go down this way. There we go. So anyway, that's that, guys. Thanks so much. I'm on vacation. So you know, you just got this time. I thank you all for watching. Blessings to everybody, and I hope you have a wonderful crafty day. Until next time, guys. Bye.